go. I have just arrived at my venue, and here I am, looking at me. But guess what? I went shopping this morning, though. I bought 3 of this bread for them this morning. 50p anyway. Now, look at this coming in here, guys. Hee, 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 hee. Hee, hee. Hee, hee. There we go. Hee, hee, hee. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh, God. Oh, yes. All right. Yeah, come up. Just look at this. Come up. Come. Yeah. Come. You too. You are savage, you, eh? Yeah, I know. Watch my bloody finger, you. No, you want to take it from my hand. Yeah. Yeah, come. Bridget, this. Yo! Come here. Look, come here. See where it is in my hand. Look at this. Look at this. It's ripping up my bloody hand. Just so you could have the bread. Look at this. See where I put the bread? Right in here. Look at this. It's gonna be ripping off the bread in the. Man, this thing, they're not scared of me, man. Here you go. Look at this. It's like a bloody woodpecker. God. I love my birds, eh? They know me. Every morning. Stop hissing, you know.